Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how you can change the default language of Google Chrome. Alright, open the Google Chrome and see this icon here. Click the icon and just after the second row, this is the first one and this is the second one. Just after the second row, click here. Okay, scroll down to the bottom of this page and click here. The next thing you have to do is to scroll down again a little bit this time around. Actually, this means language, so you have to come down here, click here, and see this right here, you click here. Alright, from here you can choose whichever language you want, but I'm going to type English and click mark it, come down here and click here. Alright, this out. Next thing you have to do is click this icon and check this. Alright, next thing you have to remove the language, the default language, the one you saw there before. You have to remove it, and this is how you can do that. This icon, click here and then click here. The system will automatically change the default language to English. You have to click here. Okay, that's it. The language has been changed. As you can see, it's no longer the former one. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.